How plants grow. Plants are fascinating because they have a unique way of growing and making their own food. This process begins with photosynthesis, which happens in the leaves. Leaves have a green substance called chlorophyll that captures sunlight. This sunlight helps the plant turn carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil into sugar. The sugar is like food for the plant, giving it the energy it needs to grow big and strong. They dig into the soil and help keep the plant steady. They also absorb water and nutrients from the soil. As the roots spread out, they ensure the plant has everything it needs to grow. The stem, or trunk, supports the plant and acts like a transport system. It carries water and nutrients from the roots up to the leaves and other parts of the plant. The stem helps the plant grow taller so it can reach more sunlight. It also grows leaves and branches, which are important for catching sunlight and making food. Leaves are where most of the plant's food is made. They are specially designed to capture sunlight and have tiny openings called stomata. These openings let the plant take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. The energy from sunlight helps the plant grow, allowing it to make new leaves, stems, and flowers. Flowers are crucial for plant reproduction. They are where pollen is transferred to help make seeds. Once a flower is fertilized, it develops seeds. These seeds contain everything a new plant needs to start growing, including a tiny plant embryo. When the seed finds a good spot, it starts to grow into a new plant. So, plants grow by making their own food, absorbing water and nutrients, and reproducing through flowers and seeds. Each part of the plant, roots, stem, leaves, and flowers, plays a key role in helping it thrive and contribute to the world around us.